फैसला लेने की क्षमता, इन सबों के बारे में गंभीर सवाल हो गए हैं और हमें पूरा लगता है कि इसके सारे निर्णय जनता को और परेशान करने के लिए होंगे। इंग्लिश। Srimati Sushri Mamta ji has decided, as the top leader of the Trinamool Congress, after consultation with her ministers and MPs and others, that the party has elected to withdraw support from the UPA. And all the ministers belonging to the Trinamool Congress would submit their resignation on Friday to the Honorable Prime Minister. I think the beginning of the downfall of the UPA government has started. Practically now it is a Congress government. And the way Mamta ji, along with her colleagues in the Trinamool Congress, was forced to take the decision amply indicates arrogance, supreme arrogance. On 17th of November 2011, in the Lok Sabha, the then Finance Minister Pranab Babu and in the Raj Sabha, Commerce Minister Anand Sharma categorically stated that no hurried decision for FDI in retail shall be taken without consultation with all the stakeholders, including political parties. Forget the political formations in the opposition. Even the allies are not taken on board. As we have already stated, it is not in the DNA of Congress to have a dialogue and trust the allies. And that we are seeing, noticing with repeated regularity. The sheer arrogance, only we can rule, others have to follow, is the biggest folly of the Congress-led central government. In fact, it is a Congress government, no more an UPA government. Obviously, because of the withdrawal of support by Mamta ji's party, namely Trinamool Congress, a serious question mark is there on the stability of this government. The BJP will take a call as to whether there is a need for a special session of the Parliament. We'll consult within ourselves and also with all those in the NDA and other allies. But since this government is now increasingly drifting towards minority, it is very important that no decision in hurry be taken, which this government is quite prone to take, so that people of the country continue to suffer more, as they indeed have been in the last so many years of UPA too. But yes, we need to applaud and compliment Mamta ji for taking such a bold stand purely in the interest of the people of the country.